Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. I am your host. It's like I said, I'm your host. My name is Nikita, but you guys can call me Key. It's cool with me. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing for my new iPhone XR. I just picked this up a couple of days ago from the mall. I just received one of my phone cases and some screen protectors that I will be putting on the phone after I unbox it. I'm super excited because it's an upgrade from my iPhone 7 Plus. I got this 7 Plus back in 2017, in October of 2017, I believe. I looked at about 3 different T-Mobiles. Everyone had the black iPhone XR. I really wanted white because currently my 7 Plus is black and I didn't want another black phone. Everywhere I was looking, they said that they only had black, and on top of that, they only had a 64 gig. I needed something more than that because this 7 Plus is, I think, 256 gig. Also, I checked at Best Buy and they had a white one, but I can't remember if they said it was refurbished or not, and I did not want a refurbished phone. So my last hope was the Apple store at the Mall of America. My actual appointment was to go today on the 17th because that's the only way you can get up in there is if you make an appointment to either speak with someone or do shopping for the Apple store in the mall. So I was supposed to go the 17th, which is today, but I decided that I wanted to just go ahead and purchase the phone. So that's what I did. I didn't have to wait in line or anything. I think it was $500 for the 64 gig and $50 extra, which was $550 for the 128 gig. It's pretty much about $600 after tax, but nonetheless, I finally got it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to this unboxing because I'm really excited for that. So before I open the phone, this is what the box looks like. This way it says iPhone in silver letters. Got the Apple sign right here. That's what the back is looking like. Alright, so let's put this box down. So this is what she's looking like right now. Fresh out the box. Ooh, I'm shaking like I don't even know what. Wow. Okay, so let's just get into what comes inside the box. So inside the box you have the USB cord, the instructions or the user manual, and inside that is the Apple sticker. I'm hearing that the box is skinnier because it does not come with the block that you plug into the outlet. And also, I'm not sure with any other of the iPhone XRs, but it does not come with the earbuds, but thankfully I still have 2 pairs. So first we have the screen protectors. Oh, it's a 3-pack. So here, let's just stand up for this. Woo. Okay, so these are my screen protectors. This is a phone case and it has the apps. Okay, so this case is called the... Let's just open this up since we're already standing up. I'm just gonna open this up. Ooh. Okay. Ooh.
Oh, good.
Okay, this is cute. It got like the Facebook and YouTube and all the little apps. The name of this clear case is called the Liquid Glitter Gold Quicksand Phone Case for the iPhone XR. When I go for cases, I like to find like different stuff like this instead of your basic phone case. The reason why I wanted a clear case is because my phone is white and I still wanted to be able to see the color.
This is my other phone case that will be arriving tomorrow, and this one has like a little kickstand on the back, but it is clear and it has pink around the trim.
Let me get this screen protector open. I should have some scissors. This is dang, because they don't strap this box down big time. 3 wet wipes and 3 dry wipes, 3 dust absorbers, 3 glass screen protectors. I have the screen protector on the phone, and that went pretty good.
Put the phone in the case. Now let's see, because I really don't want to scratch it up. You know, you want to be delicate. Ooh. It's like putting on a fresh pair of pantyhose. It's like... Okay, there we go. All right. Got the case on.
Well, hello, beautiful. Okay. Hola. I was gonna set this phone up as a new phone, but they're making it easy for your girl. Okay, you know what? And I'm looking at these phone sizes. This phone, the screen is bigger, but my iPhone 7 Plus is actually bigger than this. So that's crazy. All right, so now I am going to do the Face ID setup. I hope this is easy.
How to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all of the angles of your face.
Get started. Okay, this is, okay.
So really, you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough.
All right, you guys, so I am back, and unfortunately, I have to end the video here. My new iPhone is still installing the software update, so I can't do anything about that. It's been doing this for about an hour and a half now. I think I started to do the software update like maybe around 4:30. If it's not too late and the software update gets done, then I'll come back on here and show you guys some pictures from the 2 phones, and let's see the different quality and whatnot. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't already. Also, make sure your bell notifications is turned on so you don't miss when I post my next video. Peace.